Obviously, you might use AI in terms of like object detection or object recognition. I was wondering, in terms of setting the boundary conditions, for example, for that simulation, is that something the doctor will be doing, or is it something your tool like recognizes automatically and then tells the doctor, hey, this is maybe an area which is critical? How does it actually work?
So basically, it you can never leave in a medical device boundary conditions to a physician, so he doesn't understand
Yeah.
CFD and what he does there. So basically, you have to provide it automized and in a very easy to use way. So what we basically do is we put in MRI data, so from an MRI scan into our software SimQ. Then the physician has to place some landmarks. So they just put in 4 or 5 landmarks onto the DICOM pictures in geometry to like set boundaries for our machine learning algorithms to segment or to build a 3D model out of these 2D slices. And this is like a very easy input. So it has like thumbnails where it's shown, okay, click here, click here, click here. Then
Hmm.
they do it and then they can send it away. And all these like model creation and also the automatic setup of the simulations and the CFD simulation is done fully automatically. So which is quite an effort and not too easy to do, but we were managing to have robust enough models and robust enough automation technologies to really come up with with this and make it happen and make it usable for each patient.
Yeah.
And with a lot of inputs. Sure, there are some mistakes that can be done. Then the software has to prompt an error or warnings, etc. But that is really easily controllable. These specific workflows, and you also have to think it's not a general purpose software. It's just like one specific question, and you have to do the workflow, and it checks if it's done correctly.